Contactless payments have grown 6 times since 2015, and wearables are the new way to pay. It's a market led by digital giants, but restricted to their own devices. DIGISEQ opens up a new world of possibility. We turn any item into a payment device in an instant, and we're a secure and certified banking operator, one of only 6 organizations in the world authorized by MasterCard. Here's how it works. Our tiny chip can be added to any object. Sync your bank details, pair with the app, then pay with a tap. So whether it's a watch, bracelet, bag, or anything else, DIGISEQ turns any object into a contactless device. And in a world of counterfeit culture, ensures transactions are yours and objects are authentic. DIGISEQ is a single connection between thousands of banks and millions of wearables. We manage the process from start to finish, connecting consumers to manufacturers, service providers, and issuers for an innovative end-to-end solution. It's changing the way thousands of people behave. Barclays BPay customers go contactless without a card, and MasterCard customers pay with watches and curve rings. DIGISEQ is the most secure, smartest, and fastest way to bring contactless capabilities to the things we already know, own, and love.